this is a technical analysis for the Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures. It is now at about 11,800, dancing around that number. I'm looking at this yellow channel starting October 13th. We have this one touch point, second touch point on the lower band, and three touch points above. I'm not looking at anything that has formed beforehand. This third touch point also pierced a bit that upper band, creating some buying pressure, trapping some bulls, but it's the third attempt, and we want to look for, usually it takes four attempts to break out up. We had, by the way, here a bit of a consolidation in bull flag before that push, and we have to see what's going on now. It would be interesting to put a buy stop order, which is an order to buy above the current market price. So current market price is being 11,807. Above the 11,900 round number would mean that if a 4-hour candle closes above the 11,900, it would be interesting to put a buy stop order. That if it reaches there, then it would clear that that yellow channel. So let me just put a line here for the 11,900. And at your discretion, that is something to look at. If you're using TradingView or another one that you can add alerts, you can put an alert, create an alert on the NQ 4-hour. We want to put it on a once per bar close. We want to get another confirmation by the bar closing, 4-hour candle closing above that price. That prevents some cases of bull traps where price only temporarily goes up and the candle does not close. So that's an important feature of the alert. And you also want to watch on the other side, you want to watch the 20 EMA in case price goes at down 11,550, where a 4-hour candle closes below 11,550, then bears would have control here. Bears regain control about around this area. Okay, price will be crossing down that 20 EMA. And then if that happens, we might visit at least the middle channel or even the lower band of this channel, which is also a potential bear flag. But all in all, for me, the fact that we're having these two consecutive attempts on the upper band and the next one is going to be a fourth, uh, bulls are actually holding nicely. Uh, the reason I wouldn't put on a trade yet is because we're still ranging here, and it can go easily both ways. By the way, I just put a volume profile on this range, and the 11,775 more or less is that red line is the POC. That can also be used as a guidance as well as the value area low. And of course, you've also got where am I here? Thank you. I'm looking for the array, and the low here is the 11,702, just above the 11,700 round number, which is also a possible stop if you're doing some intraday trading and looking for tighter stops. In summary, above a 4-hour candle closing above 11,900 is bullish. Closing below the 20 EMA of the 4-hour candles is bearish. Trade Nasdaq at your own risk, and I'm tending a little bit bullish right now.